So we are at SPNZ AUTOTECH diagnosing the Volkswagen Polo. We're using the US based module synchronizer via X tool, and you can see that we have started scanning. We can see it's Polo Vento 2010 is the type of this model vehicle. We can do many functions. We can diagnose, service, and there are some common functions like actuation test, etc. We're going with the auto scan first, which is recommended because there are almost 16 protocols for the testing. We can see in the auto scan there are 26 modules which will be scanned. Out of 26 modules, any module if have got an error, I have this Polo in my workshop, and we had an error which was related to electronic transmission, and the car was towed to the garage because we didn't had a jump start success. So this Polo was brought back here at Pune. We have sorted the error. In initial diagnosis there were errors in part 1, you might have seen. In part 2 we have resolved one of the fault that was with electrics, and the other fault that is with the relay, we should be able to identify that now. As you can see, number 9 central electric shows an error using the auto scan, while there are 9 modules remaining including airbag scan that's under progress. So we have got the results all of a sudden now. The dashboard is fine, gateways are fine, immobilizer fine, steering assistance is fine, interior monitoring is fine. Sorry, I jumped a bit. Interior monitoring is still ongoing. It's a lovely weather. You can see coconut trees over here. That's our main board, SPNZ AUTOTECH. You can contact us for any of the scanning queries or software modules. Yeah. While we have the steering assistance as passed, there are various other modules which are being scanned. 4 of them are remaining, including the TV tuner. Yeah, that's what the function is. So we have the facility where the scanner is connected wirelessly. Now this is how the OBD port is connected to the car. I can show you there are adapters. So this is a socket adapter connected via the connector cable, which goes into X tool module. This generates the Bluetooth for the device that I'm connected to, iPad and the tablet, and there's a Wi-Fi which is connected to our network, and post that the connection is established. Now let's see that we will see what are the errors reported. So it's the right rear door closed, status return information implausible signal. So that has to do something with the module of door segment with the Polo, which will be solved. It's a minor one, and that's code open with the electronics. Let's generate a PDF report. Yes, I want to generate a report. We have generated it. Let's see that the diagnosis of this particular code, when you click on the diagnosis, the tool will take you to the module. It will take you to the YouTube and about the meanings of this error code, which can be Googled. It can be I'll just go and hit the video contents, and over the video we will be able to see any video that's available with this error codes. Unfortunately there isn't any. So it's Volkswagen 03304 error. Let's go back and have this error code search. I'll upload the part of this error in part 3. Have a wonderful and lovely day. We from SPNZ AUTOTECH, thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, evening. Bye bye.